Demonstrator threw money at Sepp Blatter. He wasn't sitting there and taking that, so he moved away to a different podium. Had a think about it, had a chat with the press guy. We are waiting to hear confirmation.
We have to clean here first. Otherwise, I will not be able to speak to you, ladies and gentlemen, when we speak about football. This has nothing to do with football. I'll be back in a few minutes. Thank you.
So money has nothing to do with football, is what Sepp Blatter had to say. You'll know that he is stepping down as president despite being re-elected. It was thought that that could be as early as the 16th of December, the election to replace him. Then the suggestion was maybe that would just move forward to January. The latest we're hearing is that it's the very end of February, but waiting for that slightly delayed news conference to take place.